Wow. Do y'all see this? Oh my gosh. You can't tell me this not my hair. You can't tell me it's not my hair.
Love yours. Love yours.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're not, hey girl. This video is going to be on this install that I have in now. I'm going to be doing pretty much like a voiceover because I have my daughter and it's kind of loud in the background. Yeah, just going to be doing a review on this wig. This wig is from Amazon. I will have all the information in the description box. I also installed this wig using Boho Liquid Gold and the Boho Skin Protect. So this was my first time using both products, other than, actually I used it once other time on a closure wig I had, but this is my second time basically using both products. First time on a frontal, and I think it came out really, really good. I will give you my full review on those products as I'm going throughout this video, this review. So just stay tuned, keep watching so you guys can get my full honest opinion on that. I did not show how I got this hairstyle because I was doing a TikTok and I record on my phone and it is just so hard to do both. But if y'all want to see how I got this hairstyle, go on my TikTok, go follow me on there. If y'all want a detailed tutorial on how I got my hair like this, then please make sure to leave me a comment down below and I definitely can make that happen for you guys. But with that being said, keep on watching because this hair, when I tell y'all, it's so bomb. Like, it literally is one of the, if not the best wig I have ever had. And it's HD lace. And I don't think I'll ever go back to regular lace after this wig. So keep on watching and you can get into this video. All right, so this is the Boho Liquid Gold, and I'm actually using this to adhere my wig. I also used it for my ball cap. I learned that with HD lace, you definitely need to use like a stocking cap or something because the lace is just so thin. My cap on the sides of the wig were kind of showing. Not a whole lot, but just a little bit more than I would have liked it to. The consistency of this liquid gold is like gel. But it's a little bit sticky too. The only thing that I don't like about this is it flakes up. If you have any excess left that you did not put the wig on, it will flake up and start to peel off. So that is the only negative I have to this. But as far as the hold goes, for it to be like a gel, or like in comparison to the black Got To Be gel, it holds really, really good. I've used this once before and then on this unit, and it holds my wigs in for at least a couple of days, if not a week, if I took really good care of it and put a scarf on. So I definitely think that is a good product. I think I just need to get better at the application process. But yeah, if y'all are interested in seeing how I did my ball cap, let me know. It's not really that perfect, so I really want to perfect my stuff before I start to do a video on it. But I know some people on TikTok were interested, so just let me know. But just going to be doing a install like I normally do, except for, like I said, I'm going to be using that liquid gold. And I also did use the Boho Skin Protect before applying the liquid gold to my hairline. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave them in the comment section below. Also, go follow my TikTok. I will put my information in the description box, as well as follow my Instagram. I am going to be doing a wig sale officially on December the 26th. So make sure you go follow me on Instagram. I will be posting all the wigs to my story. I'm thinking about doing a wig sale like once a month just because I have so many and they start to pile up and I lose space. So yeah, if you're interested in the wig sale, all the wigs will be used units, but I've only worn pretty much all of them one time because of the review videos. So if you're interested in the wig sale, let me know. Go to my Instagram, follow me. December the 26th, I'll be posting everything on my story. First come, first serve kind of thing. Just to speak on this hair, it is a 16-inch HD lace wig. It's 13 by 6 on the frontal space, so the parting space is really, really big. It came pre-plucked. I did go in and add a little bit more just to make it look a little bit more customized, but the pre-plucking was actually really, really good for a Amazon company. If you are new to buying wigs, I think this is a perfect beginner wig. It literally comes ready to put on. So I really, really like that. The construction of the wig is also super, super good. There is an elastic band that comes on the inside of this unit, and it has like little clips on it that you can make it tighter or looser. I really like that. I love this wig so much. I was not expecting that much. I usually don't expect that much from Amazon companies, but wow, they really tricked me on this one because it is so nice. The quality of the hair is soft, silky, very lightweight. The wig is not too heavy, but it still at the same time is full. So I would definitely say this is probably the best wig that I've ever had a company send me. I truly enjoyed it. I don't think I'll be selling this one in the wig sale because I want to keep it for myself. But yeah, after I washed it, it came out in this nice wavy pattern. The hair came in a beautiful curl when I took it out of the box. But after I washed it, it waved up very beautifully. And yeah, I would give this wig a 5 out of 5. It is definitely worth buying. So make sure you check the links in my description box and go check this wig out. It also was $189, which I feel like is a steal for a HD lace wig for 16 inches. And of course they had more lengths, but that's just the one that I chose to get. So if you guys enjoy this video, make sure to give it a nice thumbs up for me. Go follow me on my social medias and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy the video.
Lazy and broke. No, we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I don't feel alone, even when we're alone. And that don't cause a thing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus
is so freaking nice. Like, oh my gosh. And they said this was a 16-inch. Y'all, oh my gosh, this is literally the best wig. This is literally the best quality hair I've ever had in my life. It is so freaking
lazy and broke. No, we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I don't feel alone even when we're alone.
wow. 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 Do y'all see this? Oh my gosh. You can't tell me this not my hair. You can't tell me it's not my hair.
Baby, can you focus?